lacks the concentration. He's annoyed. That's good bowling. He threw it up high, went for the drive and a sharp catch.
Beautiful bowling. And he's bowled very well this morning, and I thought Lyon bowled well yesterday also. But that was a perfect delivery just to lure the batsman into the stroke.
Just put that man in there too, last over. He was much deeper than that, and Rudolph can't believe he's fallen for the trap. Lyon drops one on him. Doesn't find in the middle of the bat, and he's gone for 29. South Africa now 3 for 233.